Okay, beta, let's start now. Yesterday we have studied about the consistent, inconsistent system. Right? Their solution. If solution is there, then system is consistent. And if solution is not there, no solution, then system is inconsistent. Clear? Now if solution is there, then there will be line will be intersecting. And if solution is there, then line will be coincident also. Right? And if no solution is there, the lines were parallel lines. So parallel means like this, beta. And you are intersecting like lines like this. And coincident means the points of second line will lie on the first line. All the points of line 2 will lie on the first line. Clear? So first of all, to check whether the pair of system of equations are consistent, inconsistent, your first step is that you have to find the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, and C1 upon C2. Then only you will check, right? So if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, then lines are intersecting. And if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, then lines will be coincident. Clear? Now, if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 upon C2, then lines will be parallel. Got it, this thing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, Aryan, Abhinav, got it? Understood, beta?
Understood,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now see on the basis of these things. So now see. In your NCERT textbook only, there is a question. These three questions we have done. Now next question is, on comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the following pairs of equations are consistent or inconsistent. So first line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Then second is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Clear? Now, first of all, children, you will write it in standard form. So how you will write? 3 plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in the same way, make second one like this. 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Clear, beta? Now, these are your pair of linear equations. So, now, Meher, tell me the values of A1, B1 and B2, beta. The C1.
Ma'am, value of A1 is 3
Yes.
and B1 is 2 and C1 is
Yes.
minus 5.
Yes. Good. Now, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the values of A2, B2 and C2.
A2 is 2, B2 is minus 3, and C2 is minus 7.
Minus 7. Now we have to check. So what will be our next step, Aryan? Will you tell us?
Ma'am, next step we have to check that A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2.
Okay. So we will find A1 upon A2. So it
Hmm.
will be 3 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then B1 upon B2 will be
2 by minus 3. That is
2
minus
by
3.
minus 3. And C1 upon C2 it will be
Ma'am,
minus
5 by
5 by
minus 7.
minus 7. So minus minus, then it will be 5 by 7.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, if you are observing here that A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to. So we will checking here only first twos. So here A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So this implies the system is consistent or inconsistent, beta?
Inconsistent.
Inconsistent. Why? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So in this case, lines will be intersecting, right? Lines are intersecting. Or if lines are intersecting, that means there will be solution. Unique solution would be there. So therefore, system is consistent. What is? System is consistent. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me explain me one more example. Second question. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. And then 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Clear? So first of all, we will write in standard form. So Aryan, what will be its standard form, beta?
Ma'am, AX square. No. AX plus
2x
BY
minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0.
0.
Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now Abhinav, tell me. Second equation in standard form.
4x minus 6y minus 9.
Is equal to 0. Now these are your equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. Aman, good evening, beta. Siddhishri, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhishri, we have started this only, beta. So we are checking just this thing that system is consistent or not. Okay. So first equation we have taken like this. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
are you listening now? I'm explaining it once again, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. In these equations, you have to find whether the following pair of equations are consistent or inconsistent. You have to check this. So, first of all, beta, if you have given this linear equation in this form, so you will write in standard form by shifting this 5 to the left hand side. So it will be minus 5 is equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So 2x minus 3y minus 7. Here 7 is a plus. So when you are shifting it on left hand side, it will be minus 7 is equal to 0. Clear? Siddhishri, Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, beta, on comparing these with equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, write the coefficients of x, y and constant term. So coefficient of x is here a1 and here is 3. So you will write value of a1 as 3. Now coefficient of y is here b1 and here is 2. So value of b1 will be beta 2. Then plus c1. So value of c will be minus 5. Got it beta? Yes, Siddhishri, Aman, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shan,
Yes, ma'am.
good evening, beta. You are late today?
Yes, ma'am. I had correct.
Okay. So in this question, beta, we are just checking whether the system is consistent or not. Now, after writing A1, B1, C1, now come to A2, B2, C2. In the same way, value of A2 will be 2. I have written here 2. Then value of B2 will be C, minus 3. I have written minus 3. Plus C, constant term. So there is minus 7. So written minus 7. Now find A1 upon A2. So A1 is 3 divided by value of A2 is 2. Now value of B1 upon B2. So B1 is 2 and B2 is minus 3. So now C1 upon C2. Value of C1 is minus 5 and value of C2 is minus 5. So it will be 5 upon 7. So Siddhishri, are they are equal beta? A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2? Are they equal beta, Siddhishri? Yes, good. So they are not equal. So if they are not equal, then first condition I have told you that lines will be intersecting, and in case of intersecting line, system will be consistent because there is solution, right? And whenever there is solution, the system will be consistent. Okay. So in this way, we have started this question. See, 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. First of all, you will write this equation in the standard form. 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then second is 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Then 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So in this question also, you have to tell whether the system is consistent or not. Okay. Now, Shyam, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Shyam, tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1, beta.
A1 is 3.
A1,
No, no.
A1, A1.
A1 is 2.
A1 is 2.
2.
Yes. B1 is?
B1 is minus 3.
Yes, good. And C1 is?
8.
Minus 8, right? Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the values of A2, B2 and C2, beta. From second equation, now you will be writing the values of A2, B2 and C2.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
A
me.
A2 is equal to 2.
A2, beta, in second equation, A2 is 4. See?
Oh, that could. Oh, never mind. In
Yeah.
in
B2 is?
A2 is equal to 4. B2 is equal to minus 6. And
Yes. And C2 is?
C2 is equal to minus 9.
Yes. Good. Now next is Siddhishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri. Yes, beta. Now we have to find A1 upon A2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be, what will be the value of A1 by A2, beta? A1 is 2
Yes, ma'am.
and A2 is?
1,
A2 is beta this 4,
4, okay.
right? So now cut it by table of 2 na?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So it will be 1 by, clear? Now,
Yes.
B1 upon B2, Siddhishri, tell me. B1 is?
2. Sorry, 3.
Yes, minus 3 with sign beta. Okay. And
Okay.
B2 is?
Minus 6.
Yes, good. Now cut it by table of 3. Then it will
3
be
1.
3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now C1 upon C2. Tell me the value of C1 upon C2, beta.
Minus 8
Yes.
by minus 9.
Yes, good. Then it will be 8 by 9,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So, Siddhishri, just tell me, are they all equal? No, na?
No, ma'am.
So, what are equal? Only A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2. May I write like this, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
We can write like this, na? Okay. Good, Siddhishri. And children, don't hesitate in answering any question, asking anything. Okay, beta? I'm here for clearing your doubts only. Okay. See here now. Now we are having this A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. So when these two are equal, so just keep in your mind, two lines are equal like this. Lines are equal and parallel. So they are not intersecting. So no intersecting. So no solution is there. So lines will be, system will be inconsistent. Got it? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Abhinav, Aman, Shan,
Yes,
Siddhishri.
ma'am.
Understood
Yes,
all?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Please note it down it. Then we will proceed to next question. Children, today you will learn all the three cases. A1 upon A2. If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2. And if all three ratios are equal. So what will be the conditions for that? If lines are parallel, if lines are intersecting, if lines are coincident. Okay. So because tomorrow I will take you a short test, oral test only. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
And children, on Saturday, you will be having your polynomial subjective test again. So kindly revise the polynomial chapter. Or if you want, then I can revise this polynomial chapter tomorrow. If you want. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri written, beta. Shan, Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav,
Done, ma'am.
Abhinav, have you notebook? Do you have notebook with you?
Oh, why, ma'am?
I'm asking this thing because you were saying na that you are out of station.
Um, no, ma'am. Like, but I kind of need.
Okay. It's okay. Aryan understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next question. Now, children, again, on comparing the coefficients A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, and C1 upon C2, check whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. To check consistency and inconsistency. Okay. So equations are 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So Aman, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute, tell me how we will write this equation in standard form.
Ma'am, 3x
Yes,
plus 2y
yes,
minus 5.
yes. Good, beta. Good. Now next is Meher.
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, tell me how we will write this in standard form.
Ma'am, 2x minus 3y
Yes.
minus 7.
Okay. Good. Now, children, we are having these two equations with us. Okay. Now next is Shan. Shan. Shan, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shan, just tell me the values of A1, B1, and C1, beta.
A1 is 3, B1 is
Yes.
2, and C1 is minus 5.
Yes. Good. Now, Siddhishri, unmute yourself, beta. And tell me the values of A2, B2, and C2 from equation 2, beta.
Ma'am, A is 2x,
Yes, 2. Good. And value of B2 is?
3
Sign also minus 3. Good.
minus
And
3
C2 is?
minus 7.
Yes. Very good, Siddhishri. Good, beta. Now, Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now tell me. Now I will find what I will find here. My next step will be Aryan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, A1 by A2 and B1 by B2.
Yes, A1
C1.
upon A2. Good, beta. Now A1 upon A2 will be 3 by 2. And B1 upon B2 will be 2 by
2 by
minus 3.
minus 3.
Yes. And C1 upon C2 Aryan?
5 by 7.
Yes. Minus 5 by minus 7. So it will be 5 by 7. Good. Good, beta. Now, Abhinav. Abhinav. Abhinav, can you hear me? Shan? Shan?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, tell me, are they equal? Are these ratios are equal?
No, ma'am.
No. So A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, so system is consistent or not inconsistent? System is consistent. System is consistent. Okay?
Okay.
System will be inconsistent because lines are intersecting and they have unique solution. Unique solution means there is a solution. So if there is a solution, that means system is consistent. Clear? All have understood?
Ma'am, but
Yes.
B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2.
Yes, all are not equal, but we have to check only first two, na beta, for unique solution. In first case, I have told you A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So just check this thing. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, then check next one. Then C1 upon C2 is not equal. So there will be lines are parallel. So if lines are parallel, so no solution is there, beta. Right? So system will be inconsistent.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
learn like this. No solution, inconsistent. Means if in is there and n is there. So both resembles. So you can learn like this, that if no solution is there, system is inconsistent. Clear? In rest two, system is consistent. Only one this you have to learn for inconsistent, right?
Yes.
So note it down it, beta. All have understood? Siddhishri, Aman, Aryan, Abhinav,
Yes.
Shan. Meher.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, always keep your mics on unmute only, okay? Written?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Abhinav, Aman, written beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
Shan. Okay, Siddhishri. Okay, may I proceed to next question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, next question is, next is, again you have to check like this only. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Now Siddhishri, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, just tell me how I will write this first equation in standard form. Tell me, beta. Unmute yourself, Siddhishri. I will help you. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, Siddhishri. Our standard form is this, na? A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So here is equal to 8. Now you have to make equal to 0, na? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will shift this 8 to the left hand side. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
So now make the equation. See, 2x minus 3y minus 8 will be equal to 0. Now got it? Siddhishri,
Yes, ma'am.
understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me next one. In the same way we will make. Here we will shift 9. So it
Yes.
will be 4x. Tell me.
Minus 6.
Y, huh? Yes.
Minus 9
9, yes.
is
Is
equal
equal to?
to 0. 0.
Yes. Very good. Now it is clear na, beta?
Yes,
How you
ma'am.
will make? Okay. This is the equation second. Good, beta. Aman, Shan. Shan,
Yes, ma'am.
Shan, tell me the values of A1, B1 and C2, C1, beta.
A1 is 2, B1 is minus
Yes.
3, C1 is
3.
minus 8.
Yes. C1 is minus 8. Good. Meher,
Yes, ma'am. B1
tell me
is
the values. Hmm.
4 minus 6 and minus 9.
Minus 6 and minus 9. Good. Now our next step will be Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
What will do? We will do next.
Ma'am, A1 by A2, which will equal
Yes.
to 1 by 2.
2 by 4, 1 by 2. Yes. Then,
B1 by B2,
yes, B1 by B2.
again 1 by 2.
Yes, minus 3 by minus 6. So it will be 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then C1
C1
upon C2. Yes. It
minus
will be minus 8 minus 9.
8 by 9.
And this will be equal to
8
8
by
by 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have observed from these ratios?
Ma'am, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2.
Yes. And not equal to C1 by C2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So is system consistent or inconsistent?
Inconsistent.
Inconsistent. Good. Because lines are parallel. because lines are parallel. Parallel lines are there. So no solution. If no solution there, then system is inconsistent. So children, have you understood, beta? Just show me your
Ma'am.
thumbs up, all of you.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
is there a possibility where A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2?
Is equal to what?
B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 and it's not equal to A1 by A2.
You are saying this thing, right? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
Yes, ma'am. Is there a
So
possibility?
in this, yes, in this way, in this condition also, the system will be consistent because see, constants are not equal. These ratios are not equal. So lines will be intersecting. Clear?
Clear, ma'am. The lines will be intersecting, right?
Yes, yes. Lines will be intersecting. Okay, see, suppose if you have taken any line, 2x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0, or you have taken 7x plus 14y plus 10 is equal to 0. Right? So when you will solve this, the line will be intersecting. Clear, beta? So here see C1 and C2 both are equal.
That's wrong.
Okay?
Got it.
Okay. Yes, children, all have understood, beta? How you will identify system is consistent or inconsistent? Show me your thumbs up, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it down it, beta. And today you have to learn all three conditions, beta. Tomorrow I will take your oral test in a class only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Every one student I will ask. Okay?
ma'am.
And children, kindly do your homework on daily basis. This thing I am asking again and again, right? Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
Shan,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, Aman, beta do your homework on daily basis, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And start sending it to me also.
Okay, ma'am.
Now all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So children, your today's homework is that you have to revise all three conditions and two questions I will give you for checking whether the system is inconsistent or inconsistent. Okay? Just do both the questions. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today my
Thank
mic
you,
was
ma'am. Bye,
stuck,
ma'am.
ma'am, so I was not able to answer.
Which one?
Today my mic was stuck, ma'am, so I was not able to answer.
Oh, it's okay, beta. I can understand because you are out of station. That's why I have not asked anything. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, all of you.